In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Airtable. Whether you're just starting out with Airtable or you're returning to manage your projects, it's important to know how to access your account quickly and efficiently. Today, we'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident every time you need to log in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Airtable homepage. You can do this by entering airtable.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main landing page of Airtable, which is filled with engaging visuals and options. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that button. This is your gateway to accessing all your valuable Airtable information. You'll then be taken to a new page, specifically designed for logging into your Airtable account. Here, you'll see a few options to proceed. Airtable allows you to sign in using different methods. Depending on your preference or the one you set up previously, you might decide to enter your email and password directly. Simply click on the respective fields to type your registered email address, followed by your password. Double check that all the entered information is correct to avoid any login errors. Alternatively, if you've set up your account using your Google credentials or another single sign-on service, you can choose to click on the option that matches your choice. By doing so, you'll be redirected or prompted directly on the page to authenticate your login with that service. This can be a convenient option if you tend to forget passwords, as your login credentials will be managed through your chosen service. Once you've correctly entered your authentication details or completed your third-party login, click the Sign In or Continue button, depending on what appears, to move forward. If this is your first time logging in from a new device or location, you might be asked to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a code via email or text message from Airtable. Make sure to follow these on-screen instructions carefully, entering any verification codes as needed. In just a few moments, you should find yourself inside your Airtable workspace, ready to start organizing and planning your projects. It's that simple. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues while trying to log in, make sure to check that your internet connection is stable and your login credentials are correct. Airtable's support team is always available through their help section if you need further assistance. And there you have it, a seamless process to access your projects on Airtable. Now you're ready to make the most out of its versatile features. Thanks for tuning in.